Hello, and thank you for watching. We're in the woods on location, miles from ordinary. Concerning chains and saws and chips and files and tools, I'm going to do another sharpening video. If you're not throwing cornflakes, or at least Rice Krispies, you need to sharpen your chain. Fine dust, some folks call them fines, or what eat your engine, and it's hard on your engine when you're not cutting and getting done. It's hard on your engine. So if you're not throwing chips, cornflakes, spaghetti, I'm referring to large particles of shavings, you need to work on your chain. And I've done one sharpening video. We're doing another one. We're in the woods. This is a meal, a chainsaw meal, and we'll do some sharpening. I was over to help a subscriber with a tree work during that storm. If you're reading the comments, a fella asked me why I wasn't working on the cabin. Well, we had a storm, and I was cleaning up storm damage. So anyway, went over and helped the fella, and he also happens to be a co-worker. And while I was there, I sharpened the saw. Talk to you about making marks on your chain if you have an even number of teeth. Another trick is to use a set of vice grips like this. These are tiny. If you have to stop during the sharpening process, you can clamp that on your bar and know where you're at. Those of you that are Dick Prentice fans know that he did this when he sharpened his crosscut saws. He would clamp the vice grips where he was at, and that way if he had to walk away, he could know where he was at. If you've got good eyes, you can see where you're at. But today we're using an Oregon file guide, and this one has 10-degree cuts on it, done by my father. It also has 25-degree from the factory, 30, 15, and 35. The little 026, you've seen me in past videos, I'm running 35 angle on this, but on this setup we're running 10-degree angle. I've got my chain marked, and we're going to set in on it. My rakers or depth gauges are where I want them. I'm going to give, I want to say 1 stroke per cutter, and my local supplier is asked me to review 2 files, a Mad Dog and an Oregon, and I'm working with the Oregon right now. I recommend you wear gloves when sharpening. If you want to touch your teeth and see if they're sharp, you can do that. But while sharpening, wear a chain and push the chain from behind the cutter. If you grab it like this, you're going to cut yourself if you're doing things right. Put your gloves on, push the chain on the back of the cutters, that is backwards, as you rotate it. Maintain it. Maintain, maintain, maintain. You're asking maybe why 1 stroke? Why not give it 3? Don't need 3. It's still cutting good. And I'm going to maintain it. We'll give her 1 stroke. We'll probably do another cut. If that holds, we'll go with a 1 stroke again. Sometimes we'll do 2 if it gets to where it's not making good progress. We may touch the depth gauge. There we are, all the way around. 84 drivers, and we're done. I'll flip the saw upright, gas it, oil it, brush it off, maybe adjust the chain if it needs it, and we're back in the wood. Thank you for watching.